You paid for these Samsung features, but never use them. So today, I'm showing you 7 amazing Samsung Galaxy features, some new, some classic, that can completely change how you use your phone and help you get your money's worth. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any feature. Alright, let's begin. Feature 1. Turn your phone into a smart standby clock. It's late at night, your room is dark, and your phone is charging on your desk. Instead of a boring black screen, your phone softly lights up with a clean clock, subtle notifications, and a calm design. Or during the day, your phone is docked horizontally and becomes a smart desk display. Open the Play Store, search for Standby Clock, Desk and Night Clock, install it. Once installed, open the app. Then choose from different clock styles. You can use portrait or landscape mode, photo mode, weather widgets, and music controls. Once your phone is charging and placed sideways, it turns into a smart desk clock. No unlocking, no touching, just information always visible. This alone makes your phone feel brand new. Feature 2. Disable essential albums in Gallery. You open your gallery, scroll, and suddenly only a few albums are visible. Your heart drops. Did your phone delete your photos? No, Samsung is just hiding them. Samsung added a feature called Essential Albums, which hides most folders to keep things clean, but it confuses a lot of users. To fix this, open Gallery, tap the menu, go to Settings, scroll down and turn off Select Essential Albums. Go back, and instantly all your folders reappear. No photos were deleted. No files were lost. Just one small toggle that saves you from a lot of stress. Feature 4. Call Forwarding. Samsung allows you to automatically forward calls to another number, even on older devices. Open the phone app, tap the 3 dots, go to Settings, then Supplementary Services, and tap Call Forwarding. Choose when you want calls forwarded, always, when busy, unanswered, or unreachable, and enable it. Perfect for business users, travelers, or anyone using 2 phones. You stay reachable without stress. Feature number 4. Reduce animations to make your phone feel faster. If your Samsung phone feels slow or laggy, especially on an older model, the problem isn't always the hardware. Samsung lets you reduce or remove these animations to make your phone feel noticeably faster and more responsive. How to enable it step by step. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Accessibility, go to Visibility Enhancements, turn on Reduce Animations. Once this is enabled, app opening, closing, and transitions become much quicker. Everything feels snappier, especially on older Galaxy devices with limited RAM. Feature 5. Smart Screen Pinning. Screen pinning lets you lock one single app on your screen, and the person using your phone cannot exit that app unless they know your lock pattern or PIN. First, open Settings. Scroll down and tap Biometrics and Security. Now scroll and tap Other Security Settings. Here, turn Screen Pinning on. Now let me show you how to use it. Open any app, tap the Recent Apps button, tap the app icon at the top of the preview. Now tap Pin this app. Feature 6. Touch Feedback and Assistive Touch. If you're making tutorials, screen recordings, or teaching someone how to use features, people often ask, "Where did you tap?" Thankfully, older Galaxy phones let you show touch indicators without good lock. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Accessibility, tap Interaction and Dexterity. Now turn on Show Touches. Once this is enabled, every time you tap the screen, a small circle appears where you touch, perfect for screen recordings, tutorials, or demonstrating features step by step. Feature 7. Dynamic wallpapers and motion effects with built-in Galaxy themes. Open the Galaxy Themes app, tap Wallpapers, Browse through the categories and look for titles like motion, live wallpapers, dynamic, or anything with a shifting background. Select a wallpaper you like and tap Apply. Choose home screen, lock screen, or both. Some of these wallpapers subtly shift depending on how you tilt your device, giving your phone a bit of life and depth. And there you go, 7 Samsung Galaxy features that can completely change how you use your phone, even if it's not the latest model. If this video helped you or you learned something new, please like the video. It helps YouTube share this with more Samsung users so they can get their money's worth too. Subscribe for more Samsung tips, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.